If you're experiencing login issues with Wintrust Financial, follow these steps to quickly resolve the problem. This guide will help you troubleshoot common login difficulties. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that you have a stable and reliable internet connection. Try accessing other websites to confirm that your internet is working properly. Step 2. Verify your credentials. Double-check that you are entering the correct username and password. Pay attention to capitalization and any special characters. If you're unsure, consider resetting your password. Step 3. Clear browser cache and cookies. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breach data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 4. Disable browser extensions. Certain browser extensions can interfere with website functionality. Temporarily disable any extensions, especially ad blockers or privacy tools, and attempt to log in once more. Step 5. Contact customer support. If you still cannot log in after trying the above steps, reach out to Wintrust Financial's customer support for assistance. They can help you troubleshoot further or resolve any account-specific issues. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve your login issues quickly. If problems persist, don't hesitate to seek help from customer support.